In today's video, I'll be sharing the best kid-friendly adventures you can have on the Canadian side of Niagara Falls. Starting off our list is the Niagara SkyWheel. Kids love a good Ferris wheel, and Niagara SkyWheel is the largest observation wheel in Canada, taking visitors up 175 feet above the ground. Not only will kids love the amazing views of the falls, the SkyWheel is right above the Dinosaur Adventure Golf Course, giving them an amazing view of the giant-sized dinosaurs. Your kids will absolutely enjoy riding on this Ferris wheel, but take note parents, they are likely to ask for multiple rides, so get ready to pay. Speaking of the Dinosaur Adventure Golf, it's the next activity on our list. Your kids are going to absolutely enjoy this. It's a unique mini golf experience set in a prehistoric themed course featuring towering life-size dinosaurs, including a 50-foot high T-Rex. The dinosaurs in this golf course are not only life-sized, but they roar and move as you navigate through 36 holes of fun. The course also has a jungle-like atmosphere with a giant rock that spits out fire and a cascading waterfall that falls right into an area in the course. It's a beautiful adventure for the entire family and one your kids will remember for a long time. The next activity on our list is the Niagara Speedway. This is Canada's largest elevated go-kart track. It's a multi-level track that feels like a real-life Mario Kart experience. As you twist and turn through the course, you'll tackle climbs, drops, and hairpin turns that will have your heart racing. The track's unique design combines the thrill of a roller coaster with the skill of go-karting, making it an unforgettable adventure. The karts are easy to drive and equipped with all the latest safety features, so even the younger kids can get in on the action. Next on our list is the Great Canadian Midway located on Clifton Hill. This massive arcade has over 300 games, from classics to the latest video games. There's something for kids of every age here, so if your kids love to play games, they'll love it here for sure. Plus, they can win tickets to exchange for fun prizes as they play. That's double the fun. Most kids love butterflies, especially younger kids, which brings us to the next activity on our list, the Niagara Park's Butterfly Conservatory. This place is home to over 2,000 butterflies of every color imaginable. As you walk through the indoor garden, your kids will love watching these beautiful, delicate creatures fluttering all around them. And if you're lucky, one might just land on you. Some of the butterflies here come all the way from Costa Rica and the Philippines. They are true globetrotters. The conservatory also offers educational exhibits detailing the life cycle and environmental importance of butterflies, making it a perfect blend of fun and learning. The next activity on our list brings kids up close and personal with a slightly bigger creature most of them absolutely love, and that is a visit to the Bird Kingdom. This is the world's largest indoor free-flying aviary with hundreds of exotic birds from around the world. Your kids can enjoy up-close encounters with these beautiful creatures. There's even a nocturnal area where they can see bats and owls. For a high-tech adventure, take your kids to see Niagara's Fury. This 4D experience takes you back in time to the formation of Niagara Falls. With a 360-degree screen, 4D special effects like snow and rain, and even a shaking floor to help them feel the rumble of the earth as the falls form. This is an immersive experience that's both educational and thrilling. They'll talk about it for weeks. For our next adventure, treat your kids to a delightful experience on Clifton Hill. Imagine their eyes lighting up as they step into one of the many ice cream or sweet shops that line the hill, offering everything from classic cones and sundaes to chocolates and cotton candy. As you stroll down the colorful boulevard, let them choose their favorite flavors, whether it's a towering scoop of creamy vanilla, rich chocolate, or something more adventurous like rainbow sherbet or bubblegum. But the fun doesn't stop at ice cream. Clifton Hill is also home to a variety of candy stores where they can pick out their favorite sweets, from fudge to candy apples, or even try some unique treats they've never seen before. With the bright lights, lively atmosphere, and endless options for sweet indulgences, this stop is sure to be one of the highlights of your family's day at the falls. For our next adventure, transport your kids into a magical world at the Whimsical Creatures Garden located within the Niagara Falls Floral Showhouse. Imagine your kids' excitement as they spot the vibrant blooms and playful sculptures. They'll definitely love the dragon, the Pegasus, or the mini houses embedded within the garden. This enchanting space isn't just a feast for the eyes, it's an interactive adventure for the whole family. Encourage your kids to count how many different creatures they can find, or simply let them marvel at the intricate details and vibrant colors all around them. For our next adventure, let your kids unwind at the Niagara Falls Indoor Waterpark, a splash-tacular destination for family entertainment. With over 3 acres of aquatic adventures, this water park offers something for everyone, from the 16 towering water slides, some spiraling down from as high as 6 stories, to the specially designed kiddies pools and splash pads that provide safe and exciting play. There will be something exciting for kids of every age. The water park is climate controlled and features a retractable roof for sunny days, ensuring perfect water fun in any weather. Finally, for a taste of the raw power of the falls, take your kids on the iconic Hornblower boat cruise from Niagara City Cruises. On this cruise, they'll feel the mist from the falls on their faces and hear the powerful roar the water makes as the boat sails into the swirling waters beneath the thundering falls. It's the most popular activity in Niagara Falls and a signature way to show friends and family that you truly were in the falls. So there you have it, the best kid-friendly activities in Niagara Falls, Canada. Whether you're here for a day or a week, there's no shortage of fun for the entire family. Which of these activities have you tried already, and which ones are you looking forward to try? Let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel for more travel adventures. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay awesome and keep exploring.